In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your Facebook profile. If you previously locked your Facebook profile to limit what people can see, this walkthrough will show you how to switch it back to a public view using the Facebook mobile app. I'll guide you through each screen and share a few tips so you always know what to expect. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. From the main feed, tap your profile icon in the top right corner to open your profile page. This is your personal space where you can quickly confirm whether your profile is currently locked. If you see a message that says you locked your profile, that's the confirmation that your profile is in locked mode, meaning your content is more private than usual. Next, head to the app's main menu. Tap the three lines, also known as the menu icon, typically found in the bottom right corner. On some devices, it may appear elsewhere, but it's the icon with three stacked lines. Once you're in the menu, look for the gear icon in the top right corner and tap it to open settings and privacy. This is where Facebook keeps all the controls for your account and visibility. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Audience and Visibility. This area controls who can see your posts, your profile details, and more. Tap Profile Locking to open the dedicated page for this feature. Here, you'll see the option to unlock your profile. Go ahead and tap Unlock. Facebook will show a message explaining what happens next so you can make an informed choice. It will remind you that your profile will return to its previous public settings, so people may be able to see more of your content again. It will also clarify that any privacy changes you made after locking your profile won't be undone. Those will stay as you set them. Take a moment to review this information so there are no surprises. When you're ready, tap the Unlock Your Profile button at the bottom to confirm. After a brief moment, your Facebook profile will be unlocked and public again. You can visit your profile to double check how it looks, and if you want, adjust individual privacy settings for posts, photos, or personal details in the audience and visibility section. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.